welcome to China. Today, we will review Beijing, the capital of the People's Republic of China. It is the world's most populous capital city, with over 21 million residents within an administrative area of 16,410.5 square kilometers. Before we will continue, as usual, if you like this video, please give us a big like and subscribe to our channel. Many top-tier cities, including Beijing, Shenzhen, Hangzhou, and Ningbo, have seen upswings in local housing markets after reopening from lockdowns. Since the second quarter, the real estate market has been the main driver behind China's post-coronavirus recovery. Growth of property investment, which accounts for about 20% of total investment, has been well outstripping manufacturing and infrastructure investments. So, what will bring us the near future? We predict that Beijing home prices are expected to rise slightly more this year than expected, though at a slower pace than last year, as Beijing shifts to deleverage the sector amid an economic recovery. The stable prices came amid sustained government efforts to rein in housing speculation over the past few years, with each city rolling out targeted measures to keep housing inflation within a proper range. The pickup could offer much-needed support to the country as it emerges from a coronavirus-induced economic slump, but policymakers are conscious of a property bubble risk, with new restrictions rolled out recently to prevent sharp price rises and control financing activity by developers. The relaxation on price ceilings and urban residency permits in larger Chinese cities have supported the modest increase in overall home prices, while the improving land market and higher transaction premiums also helped buoy expectations on housing prices. Here are top 3 predictions for the near future of Beijing real estate market. 1. Average residential property prices are estimated to rise 4.8% in 2021. 2. Property transactions are expected to be flat relative to last year, compared with a 4.5% drop in previous poll and versus a 0.1% drop in 2019. 3. Investments in early 2021 are estimated to rise 6% this year, against 5% growth projected in the previous poll. It is important to remember that China's recovery is getting on firmer footing. The government is likely to remain aware of the spilling over effect of high home prices on the rest of the economy. Asked to rate the affordability of Chinese housing on a scale, with 1 being the cheapest and 10 the most expensive, analysts' median answer was 7, in line with the last poll. Thank you for being with us. See you soon in our next Asian real estate review.